Hello everyone, welcome back to Hiru Handmade Crochet. Today I'll be showing you how to crochet a beautiful flower pattern that's perfect for embellishments, home decor, or even as a standalone project. Let's get started. We will start with a slip knot. So wrap the yarn around your index finger once, hold the end. Again wrap it around the finger. Now we have 2 loops on our finger. Grab the second loop and pull it over the front loop. Now we have our slip knot ready. So insert the hook into the loop and then we will get ready with the foundation. We will chain 91. 1, 2, 3. Like that we are going to continue making a foundation chain of 91. Now I have completed 91 chains in my foundation. This is what it looks like. And we will get started with row 1. Now we will skip the first chain from the hook and then work a half double crochet into the second chain. So yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through the chain. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. This is a half double crochet. Again work another half double crochet into the very next stitch. Like that we are going to continue making half double crochets until we reach the very first chain of the foundation. So complete the row and meet me back there at the end. This is the very last half double crochet of the round. With that I have completed 90 half double crochets. This is what it looks like. And we will move into row 2. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then turn your work like this and then we are going to skip the very first stitch here and work a double crochet into the second stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into the second stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. This is the double crochet. Again chain 2 and work 1 double crochet into the second stitch. Skip the next stitch and work a double crochet into the second stitch. Again chain 2, 1, 2 and then skip the next stitch and work a double crochet into the stitch after that. Again chain 2, skip the next stitch and work a double crochet into the stitch after that. Again chain 2, skip the next stitch and work a double crochet into the second stitch. Now this is the pattern we need to repeat until the end of the row. By the end you will have 45 chain 2 spaces separated by double crochets. So complete the row and meet me back there at the end. Now I'm at the end of the row 2. I'm going to complete the last double crochet into the very last turning chain here. This is what it looks like. And then we will get started with row 3. Chain 1 and turn your work to start row 3. And then I'm going to go into the chain 2 space here and work a slip stitch. And then chain 1 and work 3 half double crochets in the same chain 2 space. 1, 2 and 3. And then go ahead and work 3 half double crochets into each one of the next 2 chain 2 spaces as well. 1, 2, 3. And then complete another 3 half double crochets into the next chain 2 space. 1, 2 and 3. After that, go into the next chain 2 spaces and work 3 double crochets in each one of next 5 spaces. 1, 2 and 3. Now I have completed 3 double crochets into that space. Again, work another 3 double crochets into the next chain 2 space. 1, 2 and 3. Again, 3 double crochets into the next chain 2 space. 1, 2 and 3. Again, 3 double crochets into the next chain 2 space. 1, 2 and 3. Again, work 3 double crochets into the next chain 2 space as well. 1, 2 and 3. This is what we have completed so far, and then we are going to make the petals of the flower. So work 1 single crochet into the next chain 2 space and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then work 3 double crochets into same chain 2 space. 1, 2 and 3. Then again chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and work 1 single crochet into the same chain 2 space. Now we have completed 1 petal over here. Just like that, we need to make 23 petals in total. So we will go into the next chain 2 space, work 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and work 3 double crochets into the same chain 2 space. 1, 2 3 and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and work 1 single crochet into the very same chain 2 space. Now we have completed 2 petals out of the 23. We need to make 21 more petals like this. So we will just continue to make the petals. So complete another 21 petals and meet me back there at the end. This is the 23rd petal I'm making. Chain 3 and then work 1 single crochet into the very same chain 2 space, and then we will leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. After that we will use the yarn needle to hide the tail like this. This is what we have completed so far. And then I'm going to join the green yarn to complete the leaves of the project. For that, I'm going to insert the hook into the very next chain 2 space here, and then pull the green yarn through the chain 2 space like so, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to work over this tail so that it will get hidden inside the stitches. After that, work 3 treble crochets into the same chain 2 space. So yarn over twice, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a treble crochet. Again work 2 more treble crochets into the same chain 2 space, 1 and 2. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and work 1 single crochet into the very same chain 2 space. Now we have completed one of the leaves, and we will go into the next chain 2 space and work 1 single crochet, chain 3 and 3 treble crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 3 and work 1 single crochet into the same chain 2 space. Now we need to just repeat the pattern to complete the other leaves. In total we need to make 13 of them. This is the third one I'm making here. We need to complete another 10 of the leaves. So just repeat the pattern and complete another 10 leaves and meet me back there at the end. This is the very last leaf I'm making here. 1, 2 and 3 treble crochets, chain 3 and work 1 single crochet into the third chain from here. So insert the hook into the third chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. After that, leave a little tail and we will cut the yarn off. Now we can use our yarn needle to hide the tails like this. Now I have completed that part. It looks like this. And then we can just roll it up to make the flower. Starting from the half double crochets here, I'm going to roll it up. While rolling it, you can paste it by using fabric glue. And this is what it looks like. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more creative crochet ideas. See you in the next video.